Good morning. Today we are climbing Black Hill, the historic county top of Cheshire. So we're in Derbyshire, in the High Peak, because the border's changed. So if you're doing the modern day county tops, you won't be coming here. So we've started from Woodhead Reservoir, and we're on our way. So there's Cheryl.
Good morning.
And here's our first stop.
That's one left. Okay.
Yep. So it's November, and there's people caravanning and vanning, and we're going up there. That's Black Hill. And the road to Manchester. We've just joined the Pennine Way. The road's down there underneath us. And we're going up here in the squelchy bog. So, but part of the reason we chose to do this in autumn is because of the colours.
Love it.
And look how dirty that sheep is.
Just been rolling around in a mud pond.
And poo.
Yeah, it's just a mud pond. It's a huge tail.
Yeah.
A huge tail. These trees were planted in memory of Harry Phillips, a staunch walker for over 6 years by his friends in the Manchester Rambling Club in 1980.
Cheers, Harry.
Thanks, Harry.
As you can see, it's a nice, easy, undulating path so far. But we will be going one of those steep banks up there very shortly. There's a lot of rain recently, which is why the paths are muddier than normal. But so far everything's fine. I can hear quite a nice waterfall. So, oh, bit of broken pipe. Mind the broken pipe, darling? I don't think we're crossing this yet. Well, maybe we'd go there probably. Probably go there, I think. Yeah, we cross this river. Here.
There's a bit out there that looks like,
Yeah. It's quite narrow there. Yeah, there. And then up there. You right getting up there? Do you want me to hold one of your sticks? But we're going across there somewhere. I think just above it. But we'll see in a minute. So we're just above that waterfall. Yeah, don't panic about there being a 100-foot waterfall just there.
It's so pretty.
Rain stopped again for now. And the colours are absolutely amazing, and you probably can't see that on the camera. Right, onwards. So it's just started raining again, and just coming up here, Black Hills over in the distance. So we've done most of the climbing. Clouds lifting and coming back in again, and then we're going to come back down that way. So seen about 10 or so people today. I wanted to punch one of them. Not Cheryl this time. Met at a pinch point. He just expected us to evaporate out of the way. All of his mates were fine, just him. So right, okay. I'll leave the camera running just to watch me tumble down the cliff. Ooh. Only joking. Come along. The sun's come out, clouds cleared, and we just walk along the top of these cliffs. Rainbow. Cheryl.
Love it. Absolutely.
Just stopped for a bite to eat. There is a rainbow just there, but I don't think you'll see it. Black Hills over the distance.
If you move through, you can see the whole thing now. I'm going to go for the easy option. Matt is going to choose the hard option.
No, that looks a bit slimy there, so I'm going to come with you. It looks a bit deep. I'd say to the right that looks slippery. And that looks deeper. Right. Yeah. I won't have a pole. No, it's right. No, leave it.
Well, these gates are shit. The water's gone right down the feet.
My feet are nice and dry. Up on the open moor now, and obviously it's raining. Clouds in low, and my feet keep slipping on these wonderful rocks that have been put in to stop the erosion. So we're guiding ourselves by the scouts that are coming the other way on a some sort of competition or district hike. We're currently on Dam Hill, and it's quite amped. I think some flooded bits coming up, the way the people in front are veering off the path. That's Black Hill just up in front of us, and looks like there's going to be some amazing scenery when we get up there. Here we are, historic county top of Cheshire, in Derbyshire, in the Peak District. So,
That's saddled with more over there. And it's very bleak.
and that's the way we're going. It's cleared a little bit. So, there's even a happy rock. Teddy bear rocks. Right. Well, we've been walking through stuff like that. And we're going down there, somewhere. Wow. It's the first view we've had, we've been in clouds since we left the top. So, carry on walking down the river, because we figured it goes down. Here we are, playing Russian roulette with the bogs. Oh! We've just come up to White Low. Some of these bogs are perfectly fine, and then all of a sudden you'll go knee deep. Enjoying it, darling?
Yeah.
She looks like it.
It's a little bit squelchy.
Now we started down there and we came up the other side of that valley, up over there, walked along the side there, round back, coming back down here, and then we get to mud banks like this. Which is just a question of sit down and hope it's not too bad. Oh. No, I'm fine now. Yeah. You watch, this will be a soft bit. Ooh, slippery! Coming at speed! Right, we're almost back down at the car. See the reservoir? That's the way we went up, along there, and up over there, and then round. This is the way we've come down, can't really see. There's a plane, get to Manchester Airport. I'm fine. Slippy rock.